How to view and manage recently viewed images on iPhone. Have you ever wondered how to access the history of recently viewed images and videos on your iPhone, or how to clean up that list? Let me guide you step by step. First, open the Photos app and scroll all the way to the bottom of your library until you see a section called Utilities. Tap on it to expand the options. In this section, you'll find Recently Viewed. Tap on it, and you'll see a history of the images and videos you've recently opened. This is a convenient way to revisit content without having to search for it manually. If you want to manage this list, press and hold any image or video. A menu will appear with two options: delete and remove from recently viewed. Choosing delete will permanently remove the file from your iPhone, so be cautious with this option. On the other hand, selecting remove from recently viewed will clear it from the list while keeping the file in your gallery. For bulk actions, tap the three dots in the upper right corner. This menu allows you to search the list or remove everything at once by selecting Remove All from recently viewed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily view and manage your recently viewed images and videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.